One day, life sat me down and taught me lessons I didn't want to learn. Not gently, not patiently, but through pain, disappointment, and heartbreak. And if someone had told me these earlier, I could have avoided years of suffering. So listen closely. There's a moment in everyone's life where the pattern finally repeats enough times that you can no longer ignore the truth. For me, it happened during one of the hardest seasons of my life, when I kept asking, why does this keep happening to me? And life answered, because you keep ignoring the lesson. Here are the lessons that changed me forever. 1. Never give someone the chance to waste your time twice. The first time is a mistake. The second time is a choice. Your choice. 2. Stop being available to people who treat you like an option. I once rearranged my whole world for someone who couldn't even send a message back. Don't shrink your value for convenience. 3. People show their true colors when they don't get what they want. Pay attention. Disappointment exposes honesty. 4. Trying to make everyone happy will destroy you. You lose yourself trying to keep people who wouldn't lose sleep for you. Your peace is worth more than their approval. 5. The fastest way to lose confidence is breaking promises to yourself. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, and don't, you slowly kill your own trust. 6. When you react out of anger, you lose power. Pause. Your response shapes your reality. 7. If you want a new life, you need new priorities. What you consistently focus on becomes your future. 8. Being true to yourself may leave you lonely, temporarily, but nothing is lonelier than living a life that isn't yours. 9. Watch how people treat you when you no longer benefit them. When your value fades, their truth appears. 10. You cannot heal in the same environment that broke you. Sometimes the cure is leaving, not fixing. 11. Some people belong in your heart, not in your life. Love doesn't always mean staying. 12. Missing someone is normal. Wanting them back is optional. Wisdom is knowing the difference. 13. Growth hurts. Healing is uncomfortable, but staying the same is worse. 14. What you focus on becomes your reality. Guard your mind like your life depends on it, because it does. 15. People reveal themselves through disappointment. Watch how they act when you tell them no. 16. Love should not require you to shrink. If you must become smaller to be loved, you're not loved. You're tolerated. 17. Not everyone will like you, but peace begins when you stop caring who does. 18. Honesty doesn't cost you real friends. It only filters out the fake ones. 19. Comfort is the enemy of transformation. Nothing changes in the place designed to keep you the same. 20. Let go of what no longer grows you. Clinging to pain only delays the blessings meant for you. Ending message. Life will keep repeating the same lessons until you finally learn them. And the day you do, the world won't look the same again. You won't look the same again. You'll be stronger, wiser. Impossible to break the same way twice. You deserve that version of yourself. Start today.